Welcome to England, Bocce. Snap.
Let's do snap again.
Snap.
Alright kids, hugs. Hugs. Alright. Oh, I'm falling over. Alright, now get out of here, go to school. Oh, kids, they warm my heart. Aren't they adorable? I kind of made a joke at border security yesterday that didn't work out too well for me. They weren't pretty happy with what I said. And so they only gave me 48 hours to stay in the country. So Con and I don't know, made lemonade out of lemons. We're going to Spain. I'm gonna finish the rest of this video in Spain. And just like that, we're in Spain. Check this out. Alright, so in this tutorial we're talking about massaging the chest and breasts. There's just way too many people around right now to be getting, into the naughty bits. Let's do this tomorrow. There's nobody around. Have a look at this. It's so wonderful, right? I don't want to sexualize massage as a practitioner. It's definitely not what the massage community wants, and it's definitely not what I teach in my video series. If you've seen my video series already, you can see we're fully clothed, it's all above board, and I wanted it to be set up in a way that it'll be comfortable enough for even children to be able to walk into the room and not feel awkward or weird about what mum and dad are doing. But as a couple, should you sexualize massage? Yeah, absolutely. In the privacy of your own home, when the two of you are just together, massaging breasts is a beautiful thing. Not only is it beautiful health-wise, it's really, really important. It's a great way for you two, as a couple, to be able to explore each other's body, and it's a great way to find inconsistency in breast tissue, lumps that may cause cancer. Now, it's not something that you should replace mammograms with, but the more you do it and the more you practice, the better you get at being able to understand what is actual breast tissue and what is inconsistencies that may lead to cancerous tissue. Here's something that's really important. I don't want you to be hunting for inconsistencies in breast tissue. I don't want you to be putting too much emphasis on going, is that something, is it not? The idea is to still have fun while you're massaging each other. The more you practice, the better you get to know your partner's body, and over time, it doesn't take a lot of time, by the way, but over time, it'll be very easy for you to gauge if something is not right. And that's when you go to your doctor and say, hey, I think I may have found something. Can we do another checkup or a scan to see whether it is actual breast tissue or whether it is a lump or an inconsistency? Something to think about, really clever. All right, so let's go ahead and break this down. How you can actually include breast massage in your back rub routine. So much fun. Rushing into the chest massage isn't going to do you any favors. We want to make this a tease. It's a game to get your partner involved and interested in what's about to happen. Here's what I do. I come from an entry point of either doing, say, the basic massage stroke. It could be from the shoulders, even the neck, but I come across the chest and I start by initiating a hug. Open hand technique, because the pectoral muscles are quite sensitive, right? So open hand technique, work my way across, make sure that I don't make it feel like she's being choked, right? Because no one likes that during a massage. Work my way across one side, the other side. I can just do this axle rose dance if I want. I can brush over the top of the breasts, but I don't go in for the kill. Remember? It's a tease. So then I'll shy away. I might go into a basic massage stroke and hold a hug out, come up, work on the neck again. During this time, I'm looking for reactions from my partner. Is she breathing heavier? Does she fall back into me? Almost every time she will. Is she giving me ums and ahs? These are really good cues on whether I should progress or retract and go back to just doing a normal back rub. And then, after a little bit of time, either working through the basic stroke, I'll come back and do that whole top of the chest again. This time, I'll go in between her breasts. Just go in a little bit, then shy away. Back on the top, go in a little bit further, shy away. Back into your long basic strokes, right? Let's see what she's doing. Is she intensifying the way she reacts to your chest massage? If she is, that's great. The tease is working. We literally want her to be in control of this massage. We want her to be giving you the cues on, hey, I want more out of this. So this is what I do. As things heat up, I really start doing polar opposites of what she wants, to the point where my partner sometimes literally grabs my hands and just goes, will you go there already? Like, what are you doing? So if it intensifies, and you can come right down, brush over the breasts just slightly, kind of letting her know that, hey, we're getting into a little something something, and she's really enjoying it, you know, breathing heavy. Then I go polar opposite, and I go all the way to the back, and I start working on the back and really get her revved up. I love this push and pull play that you get with your partner. It really helps for that seduction. All right, so that's the tease. Work that in. Trust me, she's gonna love it. You're going to have a lot of fun. What about technique? How to actually massage the breasts? Let's do that now. Technique. This is by far the easiest part. All we're doing is literally contouring our hands to our partner's body. That's it. Now, I've already made a video about contouring in detail, but just to give you a quick idea, contouring means using the entire hand, and it creates a bigger, fuller massage stroke. You mold your hands to your partner's body. It's all about following their lines, following their curves. So you might want to start, once you have kind of like brushed over the breasts, try working in a figure 8 pattern. That feels amazing. And then you can use circles in both directions. You can pause at some stage and then switch up the direction. Make sure, you know, you don't turn into Mr. Miyagi's car wash.
Now show me wax on, wax off.
Wax on, wax off.
Wax on, wax off. Hey.
Car, no wax on, wax off, right? Keep it rhythmical, let it flow. You can knead gently. Again, make sure it's open hand technique. Knead one breast, knead the other. And it's really important to say, once you're there, right, don't spend all your time just focusing on the chest. Make it part of your back rub routine. Go back into the basic stroke. Work on the head, work on the back, come back to the chest. Keep that tease going. Oh, guys, it's so good. She's going to love it. Ooh, by the way, ladies, these principles still work for us guys. I don't know why I keep putting gender in there. Like, Melt doesn't discriminate. So if you're working on a male chest, the same principles apply, and it feels really nice. It's quite sensitive too. So by all means, practice on your partner. It doesn't matter whether you're male or female. So there you have it. chest massage. Super simple, great way that leads into a little something if you want to feel like you're being cheeky. It's also really good just for normal health benefits. Just scream, you know, relax. Lots of tightness happens over here. So there you go, boys and girls. My chest massage. This tutorial seems way too simple. It's because it actually really is. I mean, the way I teach is not overly complicated at all. I think if you really want to learn how to massage your partner, there's a link in the description below. This is probably the most important thing. You'll learn so much out of it. Now, you guys that have actually been supporting me with my oil launch and my road to #1, thank you so much. We're getting there slowly, but for now, don't buy my oils. I'm running out real fast. I have like 3 days of supply left, and it won't be another 2 weeks till I get more on there. But once we get more, I've got like 5,000 coming to Amazon. We're gonna hit #1. Either I'm gonna do it unless it kills me or I run out of money and go broke, which one of them is quite a possibility right now. If you haven't bought my oils, guys, don't forget to review it. Get on Amazon, review the oil bottles. It's really important. My time in Spain is ending. I have to figure out how to get back into the UK. All my stuff is there, and I really don't want to get deported again. Wow, that was a mess up. Let's see how we go. Wish me luck. I almost forgot, this is what I'm really bad at. You've made it to the end of this video, guys. Please hit that like button, subscribe to this channel. I've got so many more videos that I've got in my head that I want to teach you guys and show you guys and keep you up to date with how we're going with our oil bottles. So don't forget, subscribe. I'll see you very soon.